Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. Gonna be doing some old booster packs today. We have a Homelands pack that has 8 cards. We have 3 Fallen Empires packs that also has 8 cards. We have 2 Alliances packs that have 12 cards in them. We have a Mirrodin pack that has 15. And we have an Urza's Legacy that also has 15. So let's start off with the Homelands pack. And I will be putting on the screen the cards that we will be looking for. I'll put the top 5 and the prices as well. Alright. Let's get started and see what we get. Alright. Started off, we have an Ebony Rhino. We have a Trade Caravan. Folk of Anhava. Dry Spell. We have a Memory Lapse. We have Cemetery Gate. We have Fairy Noble. And we have a Jovan's Tools. Oh. Not bad, not bad. Alright, so that does it for Homelands. Alright, next up, we will do the 3 Fallen Empires packs. And on the screen again, I will put the top 5 cards that we will be looking for and the prices. I would like a Rainbow Veil, that would be cool. That's the top one that I'm looking for. It's only $8, but I've never pulled one, so I think that would be neat. Alright. Start off here. Bought these from Alpha Investments on eBay. So hopefully they are not searched because Rudy is the man. So if you're in the Magic community on YouTube, you definitely know who Alpha Investments is. If I can get it open. Alright, to start it off, we have a very good looking land. Ebon Stronghold. Selenite Monk. The next card. Brass Claw Orcs. Dalian Soldier. And it's hard to read these upside down, by the way. Spore Cloud. Vacation Infantry, Elvish Hunter, Dwarven Soldier, and that does it for the first one, for the first pack. I'm gonna go ahead and display this land because that's the one I like the most. Alright, on to the next pack. Tidal Influence, Thalon's Chant, Homerid, I'm not gonna say that one. Night Soil, Tim Titorak. I might be butchering these names, by the way. Thorn Thalid, Mind Stab Thrall, and that does it for the second pack. Alright, and on to the third pack of Fallen Empires. We have Dwarven Armor. Very awesome art on that one. Thrall Wizard. Lissal Thrall. Mercine. I believe that's how you say that one. High Tide. Orcish Veteran. Thalid. An Acacian Money Changer. Interesting. The names for these cards are actually very awesome. Okay, so that does it for Fallen Empires. Now we will move on to, let's see. We'll do the alliances next. So again, I will put the top 5 cards on the screen that we are looking for. And I would like to get a Force of Will, but we will see. Okay, start off with pack number 1. We have False Demise, Gorilla Shaman, Limdol's Vault, we got Thawing Glaciers, and that is actually a $22 card. Very nice. Put that one right up there. Casting of Bones, Soul Devi Sentry, Viscerid Armor, Veteran's Voice, Soul Devi Sage, Errand of Duty, Martyrdom, Phantasmal Fiend. Alright. And that does it for the first pack of alliances. On to pack 2. Alright. Best way to open these is to pinch them from the back. Alright. Feast or Famine, Nature's Chosen, False Demise, Sol Devi's Digger, Phyrexian Warbeast, Findhorn Druid, Sol Devi Heretic, Enslaved Scout, Bestial Fury, Reinforcements, Casting of Bones, and an Asthir Glider. Very, very cool. Good cards. Not a bad pull. Alright. We will move on to Mirrodin. And this one, I will put the prices on the screen now for the top 5 cards again. I'd like to pull an extra planar lens because I do need that one for a modern deck. I have a bunch of tooth and nails. Or we could pull a Chrome Mox. You never know. So, let's get it started. Spark Clan Grunt, Inertia Bubble, Fangren Hunter, Nurok Hoversail, Disciple of the Vault, Pewter Golem, Override. That card looks pretty cool. Wormskin Forger, got a Welding Jar, Disarm, Cloud Post, Clockwork Vorak, Fabricate, Power Conduit, and for the rare, pull a Lodestone Mirror. I've actually never seen this rare before. Alright. That does it for Mirrodin. And our last pack. Again, I will put the prices. I'll do the top 6 cards for this one just because they're all pretty high priced. Grim Monolith sits at the top at 255 for the market price, not really the buy list market. That would be 150, so maybe it will go up, never know. So, alright. Let's get it started. Oh, it opened pretty easily. Okay, it looks like the uncommons. Give me just 1 second. Okay. I had to move some to the back so we didn't pull the rare right out the front. So. Okay. Gabby Maya Granger. Pygmy Pyrosaur. Crop Rotation. SWAT. About Face. Phyrexian Broodling. Erase. Thornwind Fairies. Vashino Bay. Multani's Acolyte. Cessation. And now we are into the uncommons. Walking Sponge. G2 Warcry. Rebuild. And I believe the last one is our rare here. And we pulled a Radiant Archangel. And that is a $27 card for the market price. And for the buy list market, it is a $17 card. So not too bad. We pulled one of the top 6. Pretty cool. And there we go. Those are all the packs that I wanted to do for the older packs that I had. And pretty happy about the pulls. Not too bad. Could have been worse. So real quick, guys, I just wanted to go over the best pulls that we got out of all the packs that we just did. Out of Homelands, we didn't really get anything. Fallen Empires, we didn't really get anything worth mentioning. Let me see. Out of Alliances, we got Thawing Glaciers, which is $29 right here. We got Limdul's Vault, $8. We got Soldevi Digger, $3. So then out of Mirrodin, we got Fabricate, which is a $6 uncommon. And then out of Urza's Legacy, we got Archangel, $27. So really not bad. Not the greatest pulls that we could have gotten, but still not bad. We could have gotten way worse. So I'm happy with the pulls. So again, thank you for joining me. I appreciate any likes, comments, subscriptions, and yeah, hope you guys have a great day.